I have a great question. A follower asks, do you have to have talent to get started? And what's next if you don't? So this is a great question. Really what it comes down to in online business is that you have to have a certain type of confidence to really get people to feel that you know what you're talking about. Okay, hopefully you're feeling that right now, or you've watched some of my other videos. You kind of have a sense that I'm confident in whatever it is that I'm saying. Really, it comes down to that. But a lot of people just don't ever have that confidence because they're good at something, but they just don't feel they're good enough at something. So what I encourage you to understand is that it's not about being perfect at something, like being the very best in the world. It's more about having confidence in something that you're pretty decent at and being able to confidently give beginners information on how to improve that skill. So I'll give you an example. When it comes to the violin, I'm by far not the best violinist in my city. I'm probably like the top 50, okay? But I'm probably the third most popular violin teacher in the world. And the way that I've been able to be so successful is that I confidently give people tips on how to improve on the violin at the beginner intermediate level. I'm not teaching, master virtuosos, but I'm able to confidently build a personality of teaching people a beginner type level skill, okay? The thing is, if you guys are out there, you guys have skills, all right? Maybe it's cooking, maybe it's karate, maybe it's sports, maybe it's talking to parents, maybe it's doing anything that you do in your daily life, something that you're just better at somebody else at. Maybe it's golf. Technically, I'm not the best golfer in the world, but could I teach people beginner tips on how to play golf? Sure. People that are, shooting in the hundreds instead of shooting in the 80s, would probably appreciate a few tips. So I could probably create a beginner course on golf, even though I'm by far not the best golfer in the world. I'm like a 10 handicap, okay? So what I hope you get from today is that you don't have to have really a great talent to really succeed online. You just have to really start by understanding that your level of knowledge in a particular subject is better than a large portion of people. Now, what you can do is with Facebook ads, with setting up contests, is you can find these people. You can ultimately target people that are beginners in a certain category, and you can start building the relationship with them. You can get their email address, you can get them into a contest, sort of similar to what you see here, and you can start getting them into communities, start getting them to follow your socials, start getting them to digest your content so that they feel confident that they're learning from you. Once they feel confident that they're learning from you, now they're going to take that next step. They're going to be more comfortable in maybe investing in a course of yours, or maybe wanting personal coaching. Even though they're a beginner, even though you're only maybe intermediate, you can easily justify just being that one step ahead, that person that's willing to help and that's personable on video, that has the confidence to help somebody else.